Hey everyone friends, it's Weller here. Today I'll show how to enable TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot for Call of Duty Black Ops or Warzone. For this, you'll need to restart your PC and press either delete or F2 when it's booting up. Then you'll enter BIOS, which varies depending on your motherboard. Let's say you have a gigabyte motherboard. You'll see a Secure Boot option. You'll need to enable it by selecting Yes. In Gigabyte, you'll see Secure Boot mode. Make sure it's set to Enable, not Custom. On older Gigabyte boards, it's also called Secure Boot Enabled. Here's how Secure Boot looks on an MSI board. Let me find it. Here's Secure Boot mode. You need to choose Enable here. That's how it looks. It's similar on Asus. The image is a bit blurry, sorry. Here's the Secure Boot option. Choose the standard setting. That's all for now. This has been Weller. See you later, everyone.